Hi, Gordy Bunch, Chairman of the Board, Woodlands Township Board of Directors. Looking forward to welcoming our residents back to Town Hall. Wanted to cover a few of our new safety features we put in while we're still dealing with COVID-19. So when you come into the Town Hall, we ask that you hit the hand sanitizer, come on in, walk over to our new stop and screen kiosk where it will take your temperature, help you align your eyes, and it'll tells you to get closer. Gives you your temperature. Gives you a sticker where you get to put on the I'm good sticker. That lets everybody know you've been scanned and you're good for participation in Town Hall. If you happen to forget a mask, we will have some masks here. When you come into Town Hall, you're going to see that we have separated the seating by 6 feet. We wanted to make sure that guests that are coming to interact with the board have a safe environment. You can see that the board kiosks are also now have separation in them. So come on in to our township board meetings. Take a seat wherever you like. And once you're seated and you're 6 feet away from others, it's your choice. If you want to keep your mask on, please do so. But if you feel like you want to take it off, once you are in Town Hall and you're more than 6 feet away from other guests, you're free to remove the mask. So we look forward to welcoming you back to Township Town Hall, and we look forward to seeing you again in person.